Hi, it's Jamie.
And Brad.
And this is the Jamie Thomas Show. And today we are talking about the Polynesian Bungalows.
Jamie, the bungalows, they're pretty high-end. They're pretty neat. I wasn't invited to see them because I'm just not that special. But you were.
I know. I was so excited because I got the pleasure of checking them out. There luckily was nobody in the room, so I got to sneak in and have a whole tour of the room. So nice. It does cost a pretty penny. It ranges about $2,000 a night. But it's really awesome.
So tell me, so it's at the Polynesian. It's on the grounds of the Polynesian, which is fantastic because...
Yeah, it's like kind of between the boat launch area and the beach area. And it's over, like the bungalows are over the Seven Seas Lagoon. So they're on like sticks, if that makes sense.
If you've ever taken any of the boat transportation around the resort whatsoever that's around the Magic Kingdom area, you've probably seen them and gone, what are those? They're beautiful. They're so incredible. And if you have a little money to splurge, there is probably no better place to stay on the Disney World property.
No, it is probably the best place to stay. The key features of the room is it does sleep up to 8 adults. So if you have like
8 people,
I know.
Suddenly that price point doesn't seem bad if you're dividing it that many ways.
Well, that's what I was gonna say, but
but it is true.
But now that you're being all sarcastic about it, what? That's like more than 200 per person per night. But if you have a large party,
it's $250 a night.
$250 a night.
That's actually not that bad if you were divided out.
It's really not to splurge and have like the most amazing Disney trip ever.
So when you say there's 8 can stay in there, is there really bedding for 8, or is this one of the people sleeping in the bathtub?
Well, there is a king-size bed, a queen-size bed, and then a queen-size sleeper sofa, and then 2 child-size pull-down beds. One of them features the parade, the water parade pageant, on the back of the bed.
So if your preteen or child can spring for the $250, you are set. But, I mean, tell me more about the amenities of it and just the views of it. What makes this such an appealing thing?
Okay, so probably the coolest thing about it is in one of the bathrooms, there is a TV in the bathroom. And apparently it was like designed by NASA scientists or something. And it's
actually like in the mirror, right?
Yes, in the mirror.
And is it in the shower too?
There's a glass shower. Yeah. So you can see it from the mirror in the glass shower. So that's pretty awesome. Yeah. One of the coolest features about it is that there is a patio going behind the bungalow, and it overlooks the castle. And
that's awesome.
There's like seating, and
so you can sit there and watch the fireworks at night.
You can do more than that, Brad.
Oh, and more?
There's like a little jacuzzi, and you can sit in it and watch the fireworks.
That is luxurious.
I know,
do they have to get the music in your room?
Yes.
No.
There's like a knob where you can turn up the volume.
And there's more.
There's more! And the bungalows also feature a washer, dryer, a full kitchen, dining room, like everything. It's the amenities of a house.
So tell me about some of the other the decorations and the layout, how it feels, all that good stuff.
Basically, Brad, when you walk in, there is the 2 bedrooms kind of down the hall and the 2 bathrooms. And in one of the bedrooms, it is the king-size bed. Yeah. The other one is the queen plus the pull-down. Okay. So that would be like a family of 3 or something.
Yeah.
Then in the living room, you have the queen sofa sleeper and the single pull-down. And then you also have the kitchen right next to the living room. And then just outside of the kitchen is the whole deck patio area with lounge chairs, the tub, jacuzzi thingy, and the view of the castle. Can you get better than that? The other nice thing about the bungalows is it isn't a far walk to all the amenities of the Great Ceremonial House. So you have the main pool in the middle, you have the Great Ceremonial House, which is essentially the lobby, and Captain Cook's is there with the dining. Like, you are close to all the amenities, and it's awesome resort. Like one of my favorite resorts.
So it's like staying at the Polynesian, except you get your own house.
Pretty much, yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah, I know. Awesome. So, thank you for joining us. If you are interested in staying at the Polynesian Bungalows, it's a once-in-a-lifetime vacation. Like, you are not going to get better than that. So, make sure to contact me, Jamie, at clickthemouse.ca. That's my email, or the website, www.clickthemouse.ca/Jamie. And my services are totally complimentary, my planning services, when you book your Disney vacation with me. So make sure to contact me. I look forward to helping you plan a magical Disney vacation.
Thanks for taking the time to watch this.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Yeah, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!